Hi, what's up sa inyo mga kaboom-boom? I'm a nurse, EMT by heart, and a gun enthusiast, and welcome back sa ating channel.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Ngayon ay i-upgrade natin ang CZPO9C Nocturne with Osight SE Green Dot in 6 MOA. Now here's the best part, this optic mounts directly sa slide. That's right, hindi na kailangan ng optic plate. Less part, lower mounting height, and potentially a better shooting experience. But is it worth it? Let's find it out. Before anything else, safety comes first. Wala tayong magazine. Rock the slide, i-double check ang chamber kung walang bala, then press the trigger, and safe tayo to continue our video. Ngayon ay i-unbox natin ang ating Osight SE 6 MOA na in green dot. Last time ay nakapag-unbox na rin tayo ng ganito at nilagay natin sa CZP-10S. Ngayon ito pa rin ang napili natin kasi it has a good review. Napaka-reliable at maganda ang kanyang performance. As you can see sa loob ng box niya ay merong zeroing manual, instructions, mga stickers, ito yung pa-welcome note ni Osight, and makikita nyo sa loob ang optic. Napakaganda niya. Very sturdy, very reliable, very clear. Ito yung kanyang mga tools na kasama. Napaka-organized na rin at napaka-solid ng kanyang tool na gamit. Meron din siyang kasamang organized na mga screws. Ayan po, napaka-solid. So, i-check natin. Ito po yung kanyang optic. So first, i-unscrew muna natin kasi before natin i-on, dapat ay tanggalin natin yung parang plastic na kulay yellow. So pag unscrew, meron siyang tool na ginagamit. So i-unscrew mo lang counterclockwise. Ayan, ikot-ikot, then matatanggal na yan. After that, hihilahin natin palabas, then tatanggalin. May kasama ng battery. At tatanggalin mo lang po yung kanyang, yung yellow na plastic. Then after mo nang matanggal, ay ipapasok lang natin ulit. Ipapasok and then i-screw natin. O automatically mag-o-on na yan siya. Napaka-clear. Goods na goods. Yan. So ngayon, i-screw natin siya ulit. Ipapasok lang natin ulit yung screw at ita-tighten natin ulit. Counterclockwise kanina. So ngayon, clockwise naman para mahigpitan natin ang screw. Ayan. Not too tight and not too loose. Now, let's remove the factory cover plate from the CZPO9C Nocturne. And this is where things get really interesting. The CZPO9C Nocturne's optics-ready system allows the Osight SE to mount directly on the slide. Wala ng adapter plate, wala ng extra height, wala ng extra points of failure. And before natin nilagay yung ating optic sa kanyang optic slide, ay kailangan mas maganda kung linisin muna natin itong mga excess oil sa kanyang slide. And then, ready na for the optic. Yun, ready na. So ngayon ay kukunin na natin ang dapat na screw para sa kanya. And fit sa kanya is itong M4 screws. Hindi siya masyadong matangkad and hindi rin siya yung maliit na screw. Saktong-sakto sa height ni optic na Osight SE in 6 MOA green dot sa CZPO9C Nocturne. So yan, isasalpak natin. See to it, in place siya, hindi siya tiko. And ilalagay natin yung specific screw para sa kanya. Yun. So, kailangan i-tighten natin. Always not too tight and not too loose. Dapat recommended, dapat meron talaga tayong torque screw na ginagamit. Kaso wala akong torque screw kaya nasa tansya-tansya lang yan. So, not too tight and not too loose. Ganun ang aking tirada. So, dapat talaga recommended meron talagang dapat torque screw. Okay? Let's go! At ayan, na-install na natin ang ating CZPO9C ng Osight SE 6 MOA green dot. So, as you can see, the optic sits low, clean, and looks like it was designed specifically for this pistol. Always remember, apply the proper torque according to the manufacturer's specifications and make sure everything is secure. Napaka-solid niya. It blends perfectly with the lines of the CZPO9C Nocturne. Yung direct mount design niya gives it a sleek and professional appearance. Napaka-solid. Yung lower mounting position also helps with the sight acquisition and improve co-witness capability depending on your setup. Na-impress ako and I'm genuinely impressed. What I really like is the simplicity. Instead of buying an optic plate, worrying about compatibility or adding extra components, this setup is straightforward. Yung optic sits low, the installation napakasimple, and the 6 MOA green dot is incredibly easy to pick up. For defensive shooting, practical shooting, and everyday range sessions, this could be an excellent combination. And syempre, yung real test happens on the range. I'll be putting this setup through various drills. Syempre, isi-zero natin. Magdi-drills tayo ng accuracy, speed, dot tracking, reliability, and zero retention. Titignan natin kung maganda ba ito sa range talaga. So hali kayo at sabay tayong pumunta sa firing range in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! After mounting the Osight SE Green Dot 6 MOA in CZP-09C Nocturne, na andito na nga tayo ngayon sa firing range at itetest natin ito. Na-zero na natin ito, so zeroing was surprisingly quick and straightforward. Yung large 6 MOA Green Dot was easy to acquire, making adjustments fast and intuitive. Once naka-zero, the optic held its position consistently throughout the session. So may sinet up tayong sticker target in a 5-meter target range. So hali kayo at subukan natin. And on the firing line, the direct mount setup really stood out. With an optic plate, the sights sits lower on the slide, giving a natural presentation and a faster dot acquisition from the draw. Yung green dot niya, it remained bright and crisp even under daylight conditions. So my overall experience was very positive. Yung combination ng CZP-09C Nocturne and the Osight SE6 MOA felt balanced, accurate, and confidence-inspiring. Fast target transitions, easy dot tracking, and reliable performance made the setup a pleasure to shoot. So far, napakalaki. So far, this is looking like an excellent optic upgrade for the P09C Nocturne. If nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss future reviews, drills, and range days. I'm Baba Boom, and remember, train responsibly, stay safe, protect your loved ones, and always strive to become better version of yourself. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!